Once you have all of your images on your timeline, it is time for you to add your title at the beginning and your credits at the end. And as far as this stop motion, those won't count towards your overall time limit. So up here you have basically some tabs to click on, and if you will click on graphics, you will see these graphics here. And there's different ones. When you do your own, you can click through and see what you want. I'm going to add from titles. I'm going to do this bold title right here. And I'm going to click and drag it to my Video 2 layer. Now, I'm going to get this pop-up message that's saying that there's missing fonts that cannot be resolved. I'm going to click OK because it's going to automatically put in a different font, which you can also change when it comes time to editing it. So once it's in here, double click on it, and you see that you are now in the edit area. I want you to go ahead and get your type tool from right here, and if you double click here where it says your title here, it's going to pop up and allow you to type. Whoops. Let's try that again. There. Now if I do a Control A, it's going to select what's inside that text box. And I can type the name of my video, which for this is going to be Hearts. And then on the episode name, I'll do the same. I'll double click. I'm going to click inside there and Control A to select all. And I'm going to type a stop motion video. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take this arrow, and what I want to do is I want to actually move my images so they come after my credits. My credits right now are set, if I go to my speed duration, they're set at 5 seconds, which might be a little too much. I'm going to go ahead and make it 3 and click OK. I'm going to select those images again, and I'm simply going to drag them so they start right after the titles. And then I'm going to hit play so I can see what it does. Okay, and it's very simple. And then it's going to go into my video. And then the cursor or the playhead is going to stop when I get at the end. And now I'm going to go back and hit the browse. And this drop down menu here, I am going to go to the credits menu, and I'm just going to choose bold credits. I'm going to put this on the Video 2 layer. Again, I'm going to click OK about the missing fonts. I'm going to double click to open it up. I can see where that's going to be. So there's several places or several lines of text now. If you don't want to use a line, you can simply hit the eyeball to hide it. Okay. I am going to do this first one, and I'm going to click and Control A to select all. And I can do LCHS presents. And then I can use 3 lines for my group people's name. And remember, they should be in alphabetical order by last name. So my first one, last name Duncan. Second one, Same thing, Control A to select all. And then finally, I can add my own. And then I can hide the other 3 because they are not needed. And I can back this up just a little bit and hit play to check it out. Okay? And then because that has a little bit more text, I'll probably let that run a full 5 seconds as opposed to shortening it up. But that's how you can add text to your video for title and credits.